Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another Grove collaborative haul, so let's get into it. The first thing that I purchased was the Method All-Purpose Naturally Diverged Surface Cleaner in Lime plus Sea Salt. And honestly, it smells really good. So I can't wait to try this out. The next thing that I got is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Lilac Dish Soap and Multi-Surface Cleaner and the Spring scents. I've already tried Mrs. Meyer's Dish Soap and Surface Cleaner and I am a fan of this, so I have a new scent in that. I also purchased another Grove Collaborative SPF 15 Mint Lip Balm. I got another one for my husband. This is honestly my favorite lip balm ever, so really check that out. Another thing that I got is this Grove Collaborative Grunge Buster Grout and Tile Brush. And it's really stiff, nice and hard. So I could clean the bathtubs with this instead of using like a rag. I have this now. Another thing that I got is the Method Fabric Softener and Ginger Mango. I've been wanting to try the Method laundry stuff for a while now and they were on sale, so I went ahead and picked them up. They were out of beach sage, which I wanted to try, so I just grabbed Ginger Mango, which is fine. It smells really good. I got the Method laundry detergent Ginger Mango in detergent, so I have the softener and the detergent. I have the Method laundry detergent packs. It comes with 6 little pods. It came with either the softener or the detergent, so I can't wait to try these out too. I went ahead and picked up the Method dryer sheets, the same scent, Ginger Mango, and it comes with 80. It just smells so good. Oh, it's heavy. I went ahead and picked up the Seedling by Grove, the Ultra Soft Bath Tissue. It's the 8 jumbo rolls. This thing is really heavy for toilet paper. So yeah, it looks like this. Smells pretty good. I went ahead and got the 8-pack. And the last thing I got is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day room freshener and rose. I got this for free, so can't wait to try this out. I've already tried the Mrs. Meyer's room freshener, so I can't wait to try this new scent out. Okay, well I guess that's everything, so I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye! Okay, I just want to say a really cute little like personalized touch that they do is they wrote me stay happy plus healthy, and they put like flowers, so that was really cute.